Okay, we've now read over half the book. You should be super proud of yourself. You're doing great. Chapter 2 questions are this. One of them is, what questions do you still have? And the other one is, do you believe in love at first sight? So when we get into Anthem, we're going to go to assignments. And I put the link in here too. So I'm going to click on chapter 2 questions so that it can be a little bit bigger. Come on. Don't fail me now, computer. Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too? Okay, well, you're not human. So, love at first sight. So leave a question that you have about the text on the Jamboard. So I actually made it so that you can leave a question now. So I put the link. And number 2 is write a CER, which answers this question. So I just want one piece of evidence, and then I want you to explain it with 3 sentences, okay? So what we have is, your claim is going to be what it's about. So I do not believe in love at first sight, or maybe you do believe in love at first sight. A quote that you could use is like, they greeted each other with their eyes, we dare not speak. What does that mean, that they're greeting each other with their eyes? How is it important? If you want to add like a real life moment, a piece of evidence, that's fine. But what I want to know is, you use a piece of Anthem Part 2 as evidence, so you only need one quote, but then you want to explain it. So it looks like my formatting got a little wonky here. So let's just do a text submission on this one. If you want to write a rough draft in a Google Doc and just copy and paste it into here, that's totally fine. But I think a text submission is really the way to go moving forward with this particular one. Okay, so ask me questions about this assignment. So the first question is, ask me a question. What do you still have? What are you still curious about? Number 2, do you believe in love at first sight? Use one piece of evidence from the text and then explain it.